In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get and equip effects here in Murderers vs Sheriffs on Roblox. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but first things first, you need to open up the effects menu in game. To do this, what you need to do is hit skins over on this left hand sidebar. Once you do that, you'll see effects over on the left hand sidebar. Again, select that and this is going to show you all of the effects that you currently own along with a default option. To equip one, what you need to do is just select it and you'll see it update over on this right hand sidebar now. Some effects also may come from events or limited time rewards. That's what this one, the explosion, comes from. It's this Easter event that's happening right now. To unlock a new effect, essentially just go ahead and either do whatever the event is, complete whatever the challenge is, or get it from the shop as well. But that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.